Hi, it's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all enjoy watching my videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Truly appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'm doing a container garden challenge hosted by Krssie and co-hosted by This and That with Denise, Measure and Lacee Space. So the challenge here is you had to get a container and you had to use live plants, and you can be as creative as you want. And I will show you what mine looks like before. I picked up this 4 pot. It's 1 pot, but it's 4 together. And I got this from Ollie's. I thought it was pretty. And the plants that I'm going to be using, I just got them right out of my yard. And I'm going to be using some hens and chicks. I got 2 different varieties. Let's see, that one has a little bit of turquoise on the end. You see that? Okay. So got that, and then I have another type of sedum, and it turns like a burgundy and then a real bright green in the spring. So I'm going to be using that. And then I have another sedum. This one actually gets a pink bloom on it. And so I'm going to be using that. And also I have some other sedum that blooms yellow. And I will be using that for my video. I'm getting ready to get photo bombed. Isaac's here trying to blow gum in the background. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I bought some, to stand up for a second here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Isaac, I guess, is going to help with this challenge. Since, as you know, if you follow me and watch my videos, you know I can't make a video hardly without somebody. If it's not a dog, it's somebody else coming by. He just learned how to blow bubbles, so he's excited to show me his bubble. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out This and That with Denise Jordan, Mix and Measure, hosted by Krssie and Lacee Space. They do some great things, kind of similar to what I do on my channel, which is Dollar Tree hauls or any kind of haul. If I find a good deal, I'll let you guys know about it. And I also do gardening videos and cooking videos, and that's mostly what I do. I'm going to try to hurry up and get this done so I can show y'all the end result, because it looks like any second now we might have some rain. It's been raining a lot, so I haven't been able to give you the update that I wanted to give you on my cutting garden, if you follow me on that. But if you don't, be sure to check out those videos.
Watch Sanjay K.
Okay. I'm going to link those nice ladies' channels below, so you can go out and check out what they do. And so what I'm doing now, I'm just filling up my pot with this Miracle Grow. Now the only problem with the pot that I selected is that the top pot, I'm not sure what plant I'm going to put in there, because the top pot does not have a hole, a drainage hole. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I may put something I know that doesn't require good drainage out of these. I'll put one that I know if it dies, I can easily replace it. So I'm just using this little scooper that my sister gave me for my birthday last month. And I'm going to try to fill these little areas of the pot up. And then I'm going to put my plants in there, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So I got to decide what I'm going to do. So I'm going to move the camera around so you can kind of see what I'm going to do. I have to decide. It's going to be tough. I think I'm going to put this monster, I call it the monster plant, on the top, because that is a plant that will be very easy for me to replace if it dies, because I call it the monster because it grows like crazy. And it's really easy, actually, because if you just take and throw a piece down on the ground, it will root. You don't even have to really put it in the dirt. So I've had it for probably 12 or 13 years, and I just pull it up, throw a piece here and there. I'm trying to get it where it will cover, be a nice ground cover for other areas of my garden. Maybe it'll help cover up some of these weeds. And let me see here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry if you can't, but I'm going to show you everything at the end anyway. So I'm just going to stick some of these sedums, these little chartreuse sedums, in this one particular pot. And it looks like I'm going to need a little bit more dirt here. So I'm going to get that. And I'm trying to do this quickly because I don't want my phone to get wet, because it looks like any second now we're going to have a storm. And I got the umbrella up, but I'm going to have to put that back down in a minute. So I got that one sedum in there. And I like using sedums because they don't require a lot of care, and they're pretty easy to grow. So on this side, I think I'm going to put the hens and chicks, and hope they make it. I had a lot of them, but over time they just started fading out. So I figured I'd just grab a couple of these from out of my other pots. And so I got those hens and chicks there. I'm going to back up, then you could probably see better. There we go. There we go. And so on this side, I have this other sedum. This sedum, I probably will have to cut it back as it grows, because it can get kind of long, and it can actually be on a hanging basket, because that's where I got it from. Somebody gave me a piece, and I'm gonna come back in a second because it looks like I don't have enough, and I got to put a little bit more dirt here in this part of the pot. Okay, so I'm going to get some more of this sedum, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got a couple more pieces of this particular sedum, and I got it here in the pot, and I'm not going to water it in because I think it's getting ready to rain in any second now, and so I can just leave this on the patio. But I'm going to show you up close the after, and I hope you enjoy this after. Hold on one second. This is the after of my container garden challenge. I used various type of succulents. This is a sedum. You can see it's already got a bloom on it. It's going to be pink. And at the top there's another little sedum. I told you it's got a yellow. So that's that one. And then I put this one. This doesn't bloom. At least I hadn't seen it bloom. I put it on this side. And on this side I put some my hens and chicks. So I'm getting ready to move this over on the ground so it can get some water. Hold on. Okay, that is my container garden challenge, and I hope you like this. And if you don't, if you do, not if you don't. Well, if you don't, at least you'll comment and say you don't. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other nice ladies and their videos. And we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.